So hi everyone. Today we'll try to understand how to write if-else statements within MySQL queries. So there might be cases where you wish to write if and else statements. So here the syntax differs a bit. So it doesn't go with the concept of if else, but case of when and else. When then and else. So we'll be understanding a simple query. So we won't be solving this lead code question. So we would be considering just the table. So here you can see that we have a table with name Joe, Jim, Henry, and salaries. Now in this query, what I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to decide the band for each salary: high salary, average salary, and low salary, using uh, if and else statements within MySQL. So let's get started. So first of all, we will be understanding this majorly the case sentence. So case is used basically for making if and else statements within SQL. So case, then we will be mentioning our first situation. When salary is greater than X, then high salary should be the output. Second case, when salary is greater than 7,000, 70,000, then average salary, else low salary, end. So there are majorly five components here you can see that are necessary for an if else statement. Case, every if else statement starts with a case keyword. Then when represents the first condition if you have multiple conditions. When salary greater than 80,000, then high salary, right? Now what you can, it can be the case that you have just one condition. So you are mentioning the first condition when salary greater than 80,000. The next becomes else if you are not having multiple conditions. In this case I have tried to showcase multiple conditions. So the second condition is when salary greater than 70,000, then average salary, else low salary, as we do in a normal if else statements. End. So don't forget to put case and end. Usually what I have found out is that I usually forget to put end because I am very used to work on Python, and eventually there is no end there, but you need to put an end else throw a syntax error. So this is how you can use if else statements within MySQL using the case keyword, and then eventually mentioning each condition using when and then, and ending it by else and end. And then you need to provide an alias name also. It can't be the case that you're moving without an alias name. You need to provide to this whole condition a name as well. So I've given it a salary band. So let's, if you look into the answer, so here you can see that I have now got for Joe is in low salary band. So Joe has 70,000. It is not falling in both the above conditions, hence it is goes in low salary. Jim is in high salary as it has 90,000. So likewise, you can check for others, and this is how you can write if else statements using case and when in MySQL.